SkinMatriX Ultrasonic Skin Smoother is perfect for skin problems at any level. Vibrate and scrape away bacteria and blackheads in just seconds. Exfoliating your skin so your pores can breathe and will make your skin smoother than ever before. It sends 28,000 Hz per second of ultrasonic waves into your skin to effectively eliminate blackheads and dead skin. Use the back, its negative ion function, to better penetrate your serums and moisturizers into your skin. Wet your face with water before using SkinMatriX Cleanser. Water helps to prevent friction burn as the cleanser vibrates at a very high frequency. Ideally use after steamy shower. Your pores are wide open then.